Ed, Dan, Tessa, and Ida are having picnic in the park. They display the food they brought.
Let us see what food we have. I brought 5 chicken sandwiches.
I have 7 hamburger sandwiches. Ed, did you bring sandwiches?
Yes, I have 4 hot dog sandwiches here.
What about you, Dan? Did you bring sandwiches too?
No, I did not bring sandwiches.
Let us arrange our sandwiches. Let us do it from the least to the greatest.
Can you arrange the sandwiches from the least number to the greatest number? Arrange the set of sandwiches starting with the least number to the greatest number. Once you are sure of your answer, click on the Submit button to find out if your answer is correct.
Great! The least number is Ed's 4 hot dog sandwiches, followed by Ida's 5 chicken sandwiches. Finally, we have Tessa's 7 hamburger sandwiches, which is the highest among the number of sandwiches. So, the arrangement is 4 hot dog sandwiches, 5 chicken sandwiches, and 7 hamburger sandwiches.
Click on the next button.
Who brought juice? I brought 6 cans of mango juice.
I have 4 cans of pineapple juice here.
I also have 2 cans of guayabano juice.
I will arrange the cans of juice we brought from the greatest number to the least number.
Can you help Dan arrange the cans of juice? Arrange the sets of juice starting with the greatest number to the least number. Once you are sure of your answer, click on the Submit button to find out if your answer is correct.
Great! I brought the greatest number of cans of juice, which is 6. So, it comes first in the row. Ed's 4 cans of pineapple juice will come next. Tessa's guayabano juice will be the last because she has only 2 cans. So the arrangement of the juice is 6 cans of mango juice, 4 cans of pineapple juice, and 2 cans of guayabano juice.
Click on the next button.
What else do we have for food?
I have 5 apples.
I have 4 guavas here.
We both brought oranges. I brought 4 oranges.
And I have 8 oranges. Let us group all the oranges together. I have 8 and you have 4. So that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 oranges in all.
Let us also arrange the apples, oranges, and guavas from the least number to the greatest number.
Can I do it?
Of course you can.
Can you help Tessa arrange the fruits? Arrange the sets of fruits starting with the least number to the greatest number. Once you are sure of your answer, click on the Submit button to find out if your answer is correct.
Great! There are 4 guavas, 5 apples, and 12 oranges. Arranging the fruits from the least to the greatest number, the guavas will come first, then the apples, and finally the oranges.
You are done with the activity on ordering sets of objects and numbers. Until next time, goodbye for now. Are you ready for more exercises? Here are more exercises on ordering sets of objects and numbers. The baskets hold different numbers of guavas. Arrange the baskets of guavas starting with the least number to the greatest number of guavas. Once you are sure of your answer, click on the Submit button to find out if your answer is correct. Great! If the baskets of guavas are arranged from the least number to the greatest number of guavas, the basket with 3 guavas will come first. The second will be the basket with 5 guavas. The last will be the basket with 6 guavas. So, the order of the baskets will be B, C, A. The houses of Ed, Dan, and Ida have different distances from their school. Click on each name to know the distances of their houses from school. Once you are sure of your answer, click on the Submit button to find out if your answer is correct. Ed's house is 3 kilometers from school. Dan's house is 9 kilometers from school. Ida's house is 7 kilometers from school. Great! Dan's house is farthest from school. Ed's house is nearest to school. The order of the children whose house is farthest from the school to the nearest is Dan, Ida, and Ed. Here are 3 number cards. Which will be the second card if the numbers are arranged from the lowest to the highest? Arrange the number cards starting with the lowest number to the highest number. Once you are sure of your answer, click on the Submit button to find out if your answer is correct. Great! The lowest number on the card is 2, and the highest number is 4. The card with the number 3 will be the second in the arrangement because 3 is greater than 2 but less than 4. Set A, Set B, and Set C are sets of ASTIs. Arrange the sets of ASTIs starting with the least to the greatest number of ASTIs. Once you are sure of your answer, click on the Submit button to find out if your answer is correct. Great! Set B has 4 ASTIs, so it has the least number of ASTIs. Set A has 6 ASTIs, and 6 ASTIs is fewer than 7 ASTIs. So, set A comes next in the arrangement of the sets. The largest number of ASTIs is 7. Therefore, the order of the sets of ASTIs from the least to the greatest number is set B, set A, and set C. Ed, Tessa, and Dan have their different weights. Do you know their weights? Click on the names to know Ed's, Tessa's, and Dan's weights. Once you are sure of your answer, click on the Submit button to find out if your answer is correct. Dan weighs 22 kilograms. Tessa weighs 20 kilograms. Ed weighs 25 kilograms. Great! Ed's weight, 25 kilograms, is the heaviest, so he should be the first in the arrangement. This is followed by 22 kilograms, Dan's weight. The lightest is 20 kilograms, the weight of Tessa. So the arrangement of the children from the heaviest to the lightest is Ed, Dan, and Tessa. You have completed the exercises on ordering sets of objects and numbers. Until next time, goodbye for now. How well have you learned? Answer the following. Nana placed oranges on 3 trays. Arrange the trays from the greatest number of oranges to the least. Once you are sure of your answer, click on the Submit button to find out if your answer is correct. Very good. You are right. The correct order of the trays is C, B, A. Ida, Dan, and Tessa travel different distances when going to school. Do you know the distances they travel when going to school? Click on their names to know the distance each child travels. Arrange the children from the one who travels the shortest distance to school to the child who travels the longest. Once you are sure of your answer, click on the Submit button to find out if your answer is correct. Ida travels 7 kilometers when going to school. Dan travels 9 kilometers when going to school. Tessa travels 5 kilometers when going to school. Very good. You are right. The arrangement of the children from the one who travels the shortest distance to school to the child who travels the longest is Tessa, Ida, and Dan. Here are number cards. Which will be the second card if they are arranged from the lowest to the highest number? Arrange the number cards starting with the lowest number to the highest number. Once you are sure of your answer, click on the Submit button to find out if your answer is correct. Very good. You are right. The lowest number on the card is 3, and the highest number is 8. The card with the number 6 will be the second in the arrangement because 6 is greater than 3 but less than 8. Set A, Set B, and Set C are sets of ASTIs. Arrange the sets of ASTIs from the least to the greatest number of ASTIs. Once you are sure of your answer, click on the Submit button to find out if your answer is correct. Very good. You are right. The correct arrangement of the sets from the least to the greatest number of ASTIs is Set B, Set A, and Set C. Set B has 5 ASTIs, and it has the least number of ASTIs. Set A has 7 ASTIs, and 7 ASTIs is fewer than 9 ASTIs. So, Set A should come next. Set C is the last because it has the greatest number of ASTIs, which is 9. Dan, Ida, and Ed have notebooks. Do you know how many notebooks each child has? Click on their names to know how many books each has. Arrange the children starting with the child having the greatest number of notebooks to the one who has the least number of notebooks. Once you are sure of your answer, click on the Submit button to find out if your answer is correct. Dan has 5 notebooks. Ida has 7 notebooks. Ed has 4 notebooks. Very good. You are right. The correct arrangement of the children is Ida, who has 7 notebooks, Dan, who has 5 notebooks, and Ed, who has 4 notebooks. You have completed the exercises on ordering sets of objects and numbers. Until next time, goodbye for now.